shark, man. Oh my goodness. That's shark. Oh. Sorry, shark. Why you? Why? Oh man. How to take that one? Kuya, may reply. Woo, the shark, guys.
Kuha si Kuya guys, video natin guys para makita niyo guys. Kuya sa tao. Wewe, Nipats team.
Tupon yun, bata. Woo, what's that, Kuya? Message. Okay. Boom. Not counted. Okay. Just now sunset, guys. Yan ang araw. Ayan. So that's it for today because it's already dark. And we'll have to catch maybe just a few more. Hop! Oh! What? Dito yung sa ating guys. Pata is there. Right there. Ooh. What is there? Oh, it's shaking. What a 1080. 1080. Kuya sa tao right there. And yes. Tip for today. Alright. Yeah, good evening guys. We are now here. This is the entering portion or part entering Ityamar, and our GPS in charge saver. So look, that's the thing that we are following now. Good job, saver. Kuya, you cannot see Kuya. Very dark now. And Joshua right here. That's it guys. At least you can see our experience here entering this channel. Alright. Wow. This is jungle guys. So that's our jungle. Thank you very much, and yeah, more people, this is your channel here. meeting here at Ityamar, Pata. Thank you very much once again. First to Pastor Chris for free. um, this is his boat, and of course Prabueno coming here. Thank you very much, and also to Kent, Press, and of course his wife, Kuya Indrat, Kuya Satao, and thank you. And most especially to Joshua for giving us, my goodness, Joshua, Kuya Satao, Rhyme, and of course Saber, thank you. I was not expecting to have the fish all medicine, but they gave us our ice chest, my goodness, filled with different kinds of fish: tuna, barracuda, and of course rockfish. So until next time, thank you very much again, Kuya Indrat, for helping the team Pata, Brethren, Teresita, Atay, Siurin, Ameta, and Gloria, Meme, Mama, everyone, Bartislav, Kiriso Kiriso, bye bye, until next time.